Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, we're going to be packaging up some summer happy mail that needs to go out. I decorated the box already, so I'll show you guys what each flap looks like. I just put this cute hot pink cardstock paper that I had from Michaels. This little trim that I had that was sent to me in some happy mail. I wrote her name out. It says Cat with some like chipboard letters that I had gotten from Michaels a long time ago. Cute little summerish chipboards, some flip-flop stickers, and then these little flaps just have some cute little glasses here. These little butterflies that I got at the dollar store that I recently hauled. And then this one says Happy Summer. Cute little kite, the Martha Stewart ones that I recently hauled as well. Some flip-flops, a little bathing suit. And then the last flap right here has all the same trim all the way around. And then this says Good Vibes Only, and another one of those butterflies. I've already added all of my crinkle paper and some of my confetti mix, and I've also added in some fun glow sticks because it's a summer box. Why not? And hopefully we can make magic here and fill this bad boy up and not struggle, because I do see a lot of people that fill their boxes up, they struggle to put stuff in. So hopefully that doesn't happen to me, because I do have quite a lot of things and I didn't think this out properly. So wish me luck, you guys. The first thing we're going to put in here is a little gift that I wrapped up in this cute flamingo wrapping paper. I sewed it shut. It says Live Colorfully with this cute little pink doily in the background. And I think I'm going to lay this one down first. And then I'm gifting her one of my confetti mixes in the little washi tubes that I made. So we're going to be putting that on this side. And then I'm also gifting her one of the little ice creams that I recently made in a tutorial. So we're going to place that right there. And then I made her an embellishment box. And this is what that looks like. I think it turned out so cute. It says hashtag create summer, and then it says hello my darling cat, the cute little taco truck with some little pom-poms and some fringe right here. And you guys, I love it so much. I think it's so cute, and it's filled with a bunch of goodies. So I'll be giving her this. Hopefully if it's right here perfectly fine. I don't know if this open space, am I gonna be able to fill that? Maybe I should put, I'm already struggling, you guys. Okay, maybe I should put it, I should try to put the embellishments that I'm gonna gift her. I'm gifting her some of the little doily toppers that I've made. I'm also gifting her some of these little embellishments that I've made. One of these cute little cupcake liner embellishments. I think I made these online with you guys, not online, on the my channel with you guys. And some of these cute little rosettes. And then let's see, and then maybe I'll put the embellishment box down now. So put that there, because I also made her some cute little goodie bags filled with goodies, and I used the paper from the new summer pad from Michaels, the embossed papers. You guys, they're so sturdy and good quality. And I sewed like a different stitch on each envelope, and each envelope has a gold doily and a little Dear Lizzie, I think these are Dear Lizzie quotes. This one says Good Vibes, and a little assortment of trim right here. So we'll put that right there. I feel like I'm forgetting something, but hopefully I'm not. I don't think I am. Should I put it this way? Oh, I think it's gonna, I should do it this way, yes, right? Or maybe I should take these out and put the box, and then, so there's not like this gap right there. And then we'll start putting the little bags. So here's her first little bag. And then this is another one. It says You Are Lovely, and it's the blue pattern. This is the stitching that I put on this one. And this is the little trim assortment. These are just little plain white clips from Michaels, and then I just glued on a wooden little veneer, heart veneer, and I stained it with pink ink. So we'll place that down right there. And then this is the purple one. It says Be Darling, same style. Cute little assortment of trim. And it has this type of stitching. We have that. And then here's just a little extra goodie bag with some goodies. So we're just gonna place that right here. And then this is the last one. It's the hot pink one. That's the stitching on that one. This one says Stay Wild. There's a little assortment of trim. Same little clip with the little hearts. You guys, I think it turned out so cute. And then I'm gonna be gifting her this cute little curly, which we're just gonna put right here on the top. And then there's another few little things. There's these cute little embellishments that I'm gonna be putting right on top. I made some little picture frames with some cute little flowers. Put those on top. And then I'm gonna be gifting her one of these little tags that I made for the Fairy Tale Club. So we'll just place those right there. And then you guys, I think that's it. I think it should close pretty well. And I think she'll enjoy the box. Let me know down below if you guys would be excited to receive a box like this. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye guys.